Whether you're planning a paint and sip date night and something sweet, or just want to fall in love with a new hobby, finding the right paintbrush is a lot like dating. It's all about finding the perfect match for your style. So let me introduce you to 3 Hamilton icons dressed up for a Valentine's date for your next project. Now this natural blonde, she's not just a brush, she gives commitment to excellence. While others might lose their cool under pressure, she's our G.I. Joe and enjoys taking on heavy-duty projects that build a life together. And with that ergonomic handle, she means steady and dependable. Whether we're applying industrial primers to steel, or road marking to uneven paving, even spirit stains to wood, she never loses her natural blonde bristle blend and loves smooth, medium, or rough surfaces. Wood is porous and often requires treatments like a penetrating preservative, and because of the low viscosity, using a cheap brush usually leads to dripping and uneven absorption. Now, Hamilton's professional paintbrush is designed to hold a significant volume of liquid without dumping it all at once. It allows us to work the treatment deep into the grain of the wood. Regardless of the romantic hue you might be applying to steel, Hamilton's professional paintbrush definitely provides a smooth streak-free finish when painting onto steel. Using a thick non-drip enamel, this brush applies it beautifully. Because of its high volume premium blended bristle, it's ideal for the application of enamel onto steel. And she's premium, so she can apply different types of coatings, whether water-based or solvent, onto medium and rough surfaces as well. If you're looking to fall in love with your next DIY project, let me introduce you to the heartbreaker of the decorating world, the Hamilton's Ensign paintbrush. Think of this brush as the perfect Valentine, reliable, smooth, and designed to make every stroke feel like a romantic getaway. Because of her synthetic bristle, she holds onto paint like a long-lost love, ensuring a rich, consistent application. Although she's our #1 choice for chalk paint applications, she can be used for solvent and water-based paints and wood treatments. And like a smooth operator, she likes smooth surfaces. So don't just paint, finish strong and choose the right icon for the love of the perfect finish.